When the world swears by your futuristic technology, your office needs to be futuristic, too. And what could be more futuristic than a campus that resembles as a spaceship and has everything inspired by the flagship product, iPhone? One of the Silicon Valley's most secretive tech giants, Apple's new headquarters is truly something to behold. The structure is nothing less than a technological and architectural marvel. Today we talk about Apple's $5 billion spaceship headquarters. Are you constantly curious? Then why not subscribe to Infinity Insight for more videos like this one? And ring the bell for more fascinating content, and make sure you stick around until the end of the video. The centerpiece of Apple Incorporated's new headquarters, Apple's Park, is a massive spaceship situated in Cupertino, California. With a circular, futuristic, flying saucer-like design that's instantly recognizable as the spaceship campus called the Ring. It is one of the final products pitched by the late CEO, Steve Jobs. Apple Park is Apple's new 175-acre corporate campus. Its 2.8 million square foot main building is considered to be one of the most energy-efficient buildings on Earth. The campus and nearby visitor center opened in 2017 and house over 12,000 employees. The new campus is surrounded by grass and trees, has an orchard in the center of the Ring, and contains energy and design innovations throughout. It costs in the region of $5 billion. Architected by Norman Foster Plus Partners. Some interesting facts that makes the Ring so incredible. 1. Curved glass. The campus building claims to currently hold the world record for the largest curved glass panels. There are 800 of the 45-foot-tall curved glass panels around the building's exterior, and around 3,000 smaller panels, to be found within the low-energy LEDs. Natural sunlight and sheer amount of see-through material make the spaceship a stunningly bright place. 2. Hilltop Theater. A 1,000-seat Steve Jobs Theater features a 20-foot-tall, 165-foot diameter glass cylinder topped with a metallic carbon fiber roof. It is the biggest freestanding carbon fiber structure ever made, weighing in at over 72,000 kilograms. 3. Shock absorbers. To withstand earthquakes, the Ring is mounted on huge steel base isolators that ensure the building can move up to 4.5 feet in any direction without losing its vital services and causing any structural damage also. 4. Tile tunnel. A 755-foot white tile tunnel connects Wolf Road to the campus and the Ring's underground parking. Apple prototyped the corner of the tunnel before Ive's design team signed off on its shape and tile work. 5. Wellness facility. In addition to weights and a 2-story yoga room, the 100,000 square foot fitness and wellness center offers employees access to medical and dental services. There are 1,000 bikes on site to help employees travel around campus. 6. Breathing building. Natural ventilation enabled the main building to run without air conditioning or heating 75% of the time. The Ring inhales air through soffits, the undersides of the canopies, along its perimeter. Elsewhere, shafts that act like chimneys exhale warm air back outside. 7. Solar power. The building is designed to run solely on sustainable energy, most of it from the 75,000 square meters of solar arrays on the campus. Being home to one of the world's largest rooftop solar farms, the solar-covered roof generates up to 17 megawatts of power, which is enough to meet 75% of the campus energy demand during peak times. The rest of the campus's needs are met by on-site fuel cells powered by biofuel or natural gas. 8. Giant cafe and giant doors. One giant cafe is purposely designed to encourage all 12,000 employees to eat and mingle in the same location, though not at the same time. It will hold over 4,000 people across balconies in the main floor. The sliding glass doors along the exterior of the cafe extend the full 4 stories of the building. Weighing 440,000 pounds each, they open and close quietly via mechanisms hidden underground. 9. Greenery. The campus is made up of multiple buildings, however 80% of the land is still considered to be green. With over 9,000 trees planted, the surrounding flora is designed to withstand extreme drought and heat waves. 10. Augmented reality. The guests can visit without a pass. The Apple Park Visitor Center is all under one roof, but is divided into 4 very special sections. Separate on-site R&D facilities. Public Visitor Center featuring augmented reality experience. Apple Park is the beacon of creativity and unity meant to drive Apple into the future. The massive ring-shaped building is now an iconic symbol of Apple's dedication to design, green energy, and the future of technology. We hope this video has given you some insight and maybe inspired you. If you liked the video, give it your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so. Click on the bell to always receive notifications about new videos. Thanks for watching Infinity Insight.